Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm TATIANNAANESA. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and join the fam. I would love to have you here. And you can also follow me on all of my socials. They'll be down below in the description, so definitely check them out. I'm really excited for today's video because I'm going to be testing out some new, well, they're not new, but well, technically, LYS is a new brand at Sephora. It is a clean, black-owned brand at Sephora, and I'm gonna be so honest with you guys. I don't know how I missed this launch, like the original launch of this brand. I don't know where I was. I don't know what I was doing, but when I finally found out about it, I looked online and everything was sold out, and they finally did their first restock. So I purchased a good bit of things from the restock. Now, there wasn't that many products that the brand originally launched with. Like, there is like a primer, a foundation, and a lip oil. Those are the only three products I don't have to like test out and try for you guys today. But I did pick up like 3 of the blushes, a setting powder, which is why my under eyes look a mess right now, and then also a matte bronzer, which I'm also really excited about. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna dive in and test out these products. I picked up 3 of the cream blushes. Let me just tell you guys, this is probably one of the most cheapest brands in Sephora. Each of these like cream blushes were $16 a piece, which is really good for like a Sephora brand. Normally cream blushes are like $20 and $21. The first shade that I picked up is the shade Empower, which is a really deep berry shade. You guys know I love my berry blushes, so y'all know I have to have like a berry blush in literally every formula to try out. I'm really obsessed with berry blushes. I just love how flattering it looks on deeper skin tones, so that's why I'm really excited about this one. The other blush I picked up is the shade Passion, and this one is like the next step down. I feel like I picked like the deepest 3 going down. This one is like a berry fuchsia type of color, and I think it's really pretty. It's a lot brighter on camera. I'm like looking at it and it's very bright on camera. And then lastly, for the cream blushes, I needed to pick up like an orangey type of blush because I also am obsessed with orange blushes. So I picked up the shade Inspire, which is really stunning, and I'm very excited to try these. I'm leaning, I don't know which one I'm leaning towards today. I don't know if the orange one's gonna work for what we got going on today, but I think we're gonna start off with the berry one, and if it's too deep, we'll try to brighten it up with the fuchsia-ish color. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty 125 brush because I love using this for creams, and I'm just gonna dip into the product. So we're just gonna, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I picked up way too much, but you guys know I'm obsessed with blush, so wow, this blends out so beautifully. Oh my gosh, wow, this is beautiful. I put a lot on, but I'm not really worried about that. Wow, it is so pigmented, like really pigmented. Wow, I'm very impressed by this. Do you guys see how beautiful this looks? I have really been into cream blush lately. This is like adding to my obsession with cream blushes, and it's not good. You know, it's a lot, but I'm okay with that. I'll just take a little bit of my sponge with some leftover concealer and just go over the edge just to like blend it out a bit. I want to try, I kind of want to do the orangey blush. Let's do the orange blush because the berry one might look pretty similar to this, but we're probably gonna have to like even it out. So this one is Inspire, and I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques brush. This is the 028 brush, and I love this for cream. And by the way, you guys, the brushes are how I like to apply cream now because I finally found like my perfect cream blush brushes. So I'm using a brush. I know some people use a beauty sponge, but I just found really good brushes that I like, and wow, this one is like a lot brighter than I thought, because like in the pan it looks like it's a deeper orange compared to, I don't know, it just looks a lot brighter on the face, which I'm not mad at. It's just such a pretty shade. Oh my gosh. Okay, you know, I feel like we just have to go in with, where is it? I lost it. We have to go in with this and kind of like even out this side to match this one. I'm going to take my sponge and use that because I know some people like to use sponges, so I'm going to use a sponge for this one. And then this one is the shade Passion. So we're gonna go into Passion and just dab that on top to kind of like fix it a bit. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and just put some on this side. Maybe make it a little brighter. Maybe. I don't know if that didn't. I think that it's still two different colors. And I still have a lot of blush on. Y'all are probably like, girl, that's a lot of blush. But these are really, really pigmented. Like, very pigmented. So I'm just gonna take this side that has the concealer on it and just go over all of it, because it is very, very pigmented. Okay, so I just added a little bit more concealer. Now I want to go in with the banana powder. So this is the translucent setting powder in the shade Brilliance, which in parentheses it has like banana powder. I picked this one because I was hoping that it would brighten under my eyes, and I'm hoping that that's what it will do. These setting powders retail for $18, as well as the bronzers. I'm gonna grab my LYS Cosmetics brightening brush. I love this brush for like setting under the eyes. I'm just gonna make sure my concealer is not creasing on me. I'm really excited to try this powder. Oh my gosh. I don't usually use a lot of like pressed powders to set under the eye. I have recently with the Kosas powders, but I know for a fact I'm gonna really like this. And it definitely does brighten, and it does leave my under eyes looking, it doesn't even look like I have any powder on. If you guys can see, like my under eyes look really, really smooth and airbrush, and in person it doesn't even look like I really have powder on under my eyes, and it looks really, really, really good and very, very brightened, just how I was expecting this shade to. I kid you not, I have really been into complexion. I do want to say, which I did not mention earlier, the blushes all have colon clay, which helps reduce the appearance of pores and limit excess shine. Avocado oil, which penetrates to lock in lasting hydration, and vitamin E, which is to help calm and soothe, which are really, really nice. You guys know I love my skincare benefits and my makeup. I really do. And then the setting powder has vitamin B3, which helps to reduce the appearance of pores and limit excess shine, green tea extract, and sodium hyaluronate, which is really, really nice. That it helps to like retain skin, like the moisture in your skin, and visibly plump the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And then the bronzer, which is the last product I have to try, has green tea extract, sodium hyaluronate, and vitamin B3, which is really good skincare benefits in the makeup. I picked up the shade Dark, which is Strength. There's another deeper shade, and I was like, oh, that might be too deep. That might be more of a contour, and I really wanted something that was gonna bronze for me. Oh, but oh, okay. Wow, this is so smooth. I don't necessarily know if it's like bronzing for me. I think it's more of like adding a little subtle but not subtle contour. I feel like this is a great product for everyday makeup. I'm gonna try to do a little bit of a nose contour, which I don't usually do, but I feel like this product is so subtle that I can definitely do a nice subtle nose contour. Loose right there. Oh, girl, that looks so good. Wait, this looks really good. I was not expecting this to actually like really, really show up. I thought I needed to go deeper. I do think that I would pick up the deepest one to go even like a more intense contour, but for like more everyday, I think this works perfect, especially for like nose contour. I think it's so subtle and it looks really, really good. Wow, I'm actually like really, really impressed with these products. I'm really excited about these products, but I'm also more so impressed. I don't even feel like I need to set this blush, you guys. Like I feel like it low-key sets itself. It's not sticky or anything, so I don't think I'm gonna set the blush. I'm just gonna go ahead and just dab more there, like dab what's left on this brush of the blush. Love this. I love this. I'm loving my base in these cream blushes I've been trying lately. Like it just gets me so excited. All right, so I went off camera, finished the rest of my makeup. Now let's recap on all these products. I'm gonna first of all come out and say I'm very impressed. I'm very happy that I own these products because the cream blushes are so worth the hype. I feel like I need to go and like get all of them just about, because I feel like they're so pigmented and they're so inexpensive for like a brand at Sephora. I really, really enjoyed all of the cream blushes. They are so pigmented, so creamy. Like, here's a swatch of the shade Inspire, and that's really, really stunning. It's very bright, very pigmented. Let me go ahead and swatch Passion, because I feel like Passion is also really, really pretty. These like swatch so good and so pigmented. We have Empower, which is that really, really deep blush that I'm gonna go ahead and swatch for y'all. Right there. Like, just look at this shade range. Oh my gosh, like look at that freaking shade range. So good. I'm so impressed. And then also we have like the bronzer, which I really thought, like, that really surprised me as well. And then the banana powder I loved. My under eyes just look really seamless and airbrushed, and I really love how my base came out today, all because of the brand LYS. So happy that I picked these up. I definitely think you guys should try these out. They're back in stock on LYS's site as well as on Sephora, so definitely go and check them out. And let me know your thoughts down below. Have you already tried this brand? Are you planning on trying this brand, and what do you want to try? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.